guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna talk about why I'm launching with just one product. I am launching with a pair of tailored linen trouser. A lot of people that I know have asked me again and again, like normally people launch with a collection or maybe like 6 different outfits or 10 different outfits, so why am I just launching with one product? So here are my reasons. One of the reason is I didn't want to build any noise. I wanted to build clarity, and I am early, I'm self-funded, and I wanted to build something very sustainable. Having just one product helps me focus better on creating that product in terms of better fit, better quality, real-time testing, not just assumptions. One of the key thing that I wanted to focus while building a brand, and I've wanted to do this for a long time, my key thing while building my own brand was the fit of the product has to be perfect and amazing. And fit is not something that you can just assume or guess, because every body reacts differently, and starting small helps me gain feedback from real-time customers and not based on assumptions. I had like 2 years of retail experience, so whatever I've learned in terms of fit of the product and everything, I've applied it here. But again, I really want to take feedback from my customers. I wanted to learn and tweak without having to burn money. Come to the second point, which is the most important thing while having your own business, that is cash flow. Having a huge inventory and a lot of SKUs means your cash is literally locked up, and having a dead stock is not just financial but also mental, and having one product keeps risk limited, pressure manageable, and decision making very clear. This isn't fear, but this is risk intelligence. I also wanted to have like a brand identity, like a very clear brand identity. So having one product means I'm more focused. Having one product means it's a clear message to my customers about what I stand for, what my brand stands for. One product becomes an anchor and not a distraction. New products will come eventually, because I have had so many exciting ideas that I want to work on, and I really cannot wait for you guys to see. But it will only come after experimentation, after real-time feedback, and after learning. The real reason is that work isn't about quantity but quality, and I really wanted my customers to have like a good quality regardless of the price. It's actually about getting the basics right so I can build upon that. So that is it for today, guys. Hope you liked it, and if you did, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.